Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel an AliExpress order after making a payment. Stick around until the end to learn the steps and important tips to ensure a smooth cancellation process. So let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app, or you can also visit the website and make sure that you're logged into your account. And if you're not, then enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged into your account, click on Account in the bottom right corner, and at the way top you can see My Orders section. Click on View All, and this will show a list of all your orders. So scroll through your orders and find the one that you want to cancel. So tap on the specific order to open its details, and then look for Cancel Order button in the order details. If this button is unavailable, it means that the order has been already shipped or is being processed. In such cases, you may need to contact the seller directly for assistance. And if the cancel order option is available, then click on it and then choose a reason for cancellation from the list provided. This helps the seller understand your request. And then finally, confirm the cancellation. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.